Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome to a brand new video. It snowed a bunch and it's still snowing a lot. And today I can't really play in it, but this dude can. Like,
hello.
Look at this dude. He's all set up for the snow. Stop doing your modeling face. You're not that pretty.
No, the model face is you smile, raise your eyebrows, start smiling.
Wow, so sexy. Now welcome to a brand new video. See, it's snowing and it's insane. This is like a blizzard, bro. Yo, look at me, it's snowing so much. Hit that intro. What are you doing? That didn't even hit me. Wow, dude. Now he's getting on the trampoline. It's cold. Front flip. Front flip, do it. Okay. It's gonna break, I feel like. No, it won't. I swear if it breaks. Could've landed that, bro. It's so thick. I'm freezing my ass off, bro. I'm so cold. Okay, so the snow is so deep. Look. Like, it's like really deep. Yeah.
They took it to 10.
I got home.
Dude, I swear, doing this with a hurt leg, this is so weird. It's like walking through sand and it's really light snow. It's whack. Like really, really weird. But let's see if it tastes good. It's not bad actually. So he's gonna jump off that thing into the snow. So. Ah, my face is so cold. There's so much snow on the lens, dude.
Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
I'm gonna sit down because this seems high.
Yeah. Look, dude, he's wearing all black. Let me walk closer. Come closer to me, dude. I hate walking. He's wearing all black, and look at him. Like, he looks like a polar bear. Hello, welcome to Discovery Channel. You can all see we're here in Antarctica, Colorado. One of them. It's cold. It's very cold. It's very cold, and I don't understand why it's so freezing. It's always whiteout conditions.
Why that?
So deep.
Look over there, you can't even see it. Oh,
Can't even see it.
see, you can't see it. It says no. Yeah, my hand's in the way, my bad.
It's so cold. Trying to walk off this mountain.
Giant mountain.
Giant mountain.
Giant mountain.
Oh God, I almost fell right there.
Hold on, let me do something. Film me.
Alrighty.
Where are you? There he is. He fell down in the snow and now there's a wolf attacking him. I doubt you can see that. There's so much snow on the screen, I can barely see him.
You look and I'm just.
Yeah, man, look, dude, this snow's so deep.
In the garage, just compare you and me.
Yeah, let's do this. Whoa, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Okay, man, film me. Look at this guy compared to me. I swear, I should do a second video of going in the snow in my underwear, but it's so, no, never mind, I'm not doing that, it's so cold.